Well, it's rainy, and look at that. Look at these clouds. And we have some school buses over here, so look at that. And even the school buses too. Wow. Wow, just wow. Take a look. It's raining outside. And even the leases fell from the northward. All right. Let's see what's going on with the buses today. And even this one was also one of these things. And look at that. It's now all the stuff now, and then let's see if I can sway this forward. Yep. It sounds look like the thing now. The one of the things again. You have to water one of these things is like kind of fun. Actually, the school buses down here. It's even one of the one of, and just look at that. It's this heavy weight right up from here. I need to bring this, so I don't know exactly why this thing is things in here. Someone explained to me why this thing has to bring this put this thing away and associated with the lost and found items. And even that ball too. I'll put the ball. I'll just pick up the ball and just leave that thing for now. I'll pick it up later when I'm stop the record. And look at it, even one right here. This one got this Let me step in so I can don't get. Wow, this one is just like everything is when the thing got broke. So now this one actually got the ball, one of them actually, and then the weight, and then there's some school buses over there. It includes the list number 14. That thing is the door. One of these things are open, and including the school bus. Number 11, and then look at that. The 13. You have to sneak and then take a look. Yep. The 13 parked it all the way up, and then the school bus number 19 never come back at the moment. So so I can't see school bus number 19 because it's the very last time before November. I think 19 will be back on December. I don't exactly understand that. Why school bus is saying towed away, and then the 17, it's kind of like that. And we got the school buses 21, 23 up here. I wish if school buses number 13, 20, 16, 15, like 78 and 76. Just wow. This is every school bus. Look at that. That's my previous video when actually the school buses when it's not raining, and now look. It's just all kind of like when the school bus number 18 parked it like all the way up, but kind of like wow. Can't see that route number until because it was route 424. Until the school bus number 66 needs to go in the shop, and then now 19 someone is in here. Wow. Just wow. And along with school bus number 56 also. And yeah, you can see all the school buses, and including 56 also. 176 and 78, Lewin parked it all the way up, and then the 59. Yep, that's what the thing actually is. Wow, I have to pick up the head, the weight, and then the things now. Wow, just wow. Like even some people are not responsible for these stuff. I have to pick these things up because I don't exactly know why people decided to do these kinds of things a lot, and then just like can't believe this afterwards picking up these stuff, including one of them up like the balls up here. Can't believe it. Well, I'll start recording and pick up these, the ball and the weight, so see you in the next video.